Okay, so the web manager has downloaded into your browser, like so, and the first thing that it's doing is prompting you to open a page or a folder so you can edit a file. So here we've got our folders. They're represented by these yellow icons here, and here are our page files, and we've only got two at the moment. We've got index and gallery, and they represent live pages on the website. So I'm going to open up the index page. So I do that by left clicking on the icon, and then as you can see it's said the name of the page there, index. Then I click open. So the file directory is now closed, and it's going to download the index page into the web manager so that I can start editing some of the elements. So this is a good representation of how the page appears live on the internet, except we've got these little dashed lines around the edge. So these are marking the edges of our elements within the page. So I can turn those off like so, and then I can turn them on again. So it's handy to have them turned on when you're editing the page, and especially when you're moving elements around the page. So to select an element so I can edit it, move it, resize it, I just left click anywhere within the boundaries of the element. So I do that, I'm left clicking, and as you can see the border has turned red. That shows that it's highlighted, and we've got these little white resize boxes around the edge. See how my mouse changes as my mouse passes over the different white boxes. So to move the element, I left click and drag, like so. As you can see, as I drag the top text element here, it pushes the lower one further down the page. Now that's deliberate. I've set it to do that, and in a later tutorial I'll show you how I did that. And if I want to resize the element, I can just left click over one of the white boxes according to whether I want to shrink it in terms of width or height, and I just hold the left button down and drag, just the same way as I do when I'm moving the element. Now here we have a container. Now containers are handy for grouping elements together, and as you can see here I've got 8 images that I'm trying to group together with one text box. So if I drag the container, it drags all of the elements with it, but I can click on an individual element within the container and drag that around independently. So I'm not fixed to a rigid template. I can literally put anything anywhere I like. Just so happens I want it there. Now up here we have a navigation, we have a logo, and we've got a little picture of a camera there. Now, and we've also got this white box going around the whole page. That is actually all part of the template. Now in a later tutorial I'll show you how you can edit the template. Again, you're not fixed to a specific order or specific structure. You can put anything where you like. But I've created this template, and then I've built this page on this template. So at another stage I can go in and edit the template. So you can work to any design effectively. Okay, so that's pretty simple. That's how you move elements around the page. In the next bite-sized tutorial we're going to show you how you can edit text within the page. So thanks for watching.